How to customize specific settings for individual apps on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Per App Settings. Now the Per App settings on the iPhone 16 allow user to customize specific settings for individual apps. This feature is especially useful if you want certain apps to behave differently from your global iPhone settings. For example, you can adjust the text size, contrast, or motion settings just for one app without affecting the others. So let's say if I tap on the Add App option right there, and then I choose camera, or let's say I choose another one. So let's say I choose mail, okay, and then I tap on the mail app. In here, I can set bold text to on. Now, these settings only apply to the mail app. It does not affect other apps on your iPhone. So in here, you can go through all the options and make customizations specifically just for this app. And in here, I can increase the contrast for the mail app. And that's it. So that is just for one app. If you want to customize any other app, you can just tap on Add App, and then from the list here, you can choose more apps to customize. Now, if you want to simply remove the settings, just tap on Edit, and then tap on Remove, and this will remove individual customization for the app. And that's it. After that, you can tap on Done, and finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.